All right. 29 is x plus y to the fifth. So we just got to look at the fifth level of Pascal's triangle and go with that's going to be x to the fifth, right? Plus xy, like 5xy, right? Plus 10xy plus 10xy, sorry, plus 5xy plus y to the fifth, right? Then I'm going to put in my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to put in my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm done. That's it. Woohoo! That was awesome. Okay? And that seemed pretty easy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, it gets harder. Okay. Change blue. We're going to do 31. Remember how I used to say put a space in there, right? Remember in the beginning? Right. Space, comma, right? Parentheses, space, x, space, parentheses, right? We're going to do the same thing. When we put this pattern in, we're going to put spaces. The spaces are going to go, so this is x minus 3y to the fourth, right? Or fifth. Fourth. Okay? Now, see how this is minus 3 instead of a plus, right? It's minus, and instead of 1, it's a 3. So we're going to do the same thing we did up here, except we're going to leave a space to put this 3 in there whenever we want, okay? So we'll do it with blue first, okay? And we got to do it with the fourth one. We got to do it with this guy. So this quintic, okay? We're going to do it with the quintic. Wait, that's not quintic. We got to do it with the quartic. That's what I meant. When we do it with the quartic, right? So we're going to go, okay. Now, we're going to go, what are we going to do? Oh yeah, okay. So x to the fourth, right? Plus space 4xy plus space 6xy plus space 4xy plus space y to the fourth. Okay? See how I did that? It would have been the same as if it was this. Right? Yeah?
Did you say it was minus?
It's going to be minus, but not yet. So right now it's plus, 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 right? Then we're going to see what happens. Well, it's going to be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Does that make sense? Okay? Now, we don't have our exponents in yet. So we got to go 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Does that make sense? Right? So we have our exponents in. Woo! We're not done though.
One.
Oh, we got a negative 3 in there. So wherever you see a y, you're going to put a negative 3. Okay? So, is there a y here?
Sure.
Then there's going to be a negative 3. Is there a y here? Negative 3. Is there a y here? Negative 3. Is there a y here? Negative 3. But it's not just negative 3. How many y's are here? 1, right?
Yeah.
So there's 1, negative 3. How many y's?
2.
So that means there has to be 2 of these. How many Y's?
Jeez.
3. That means there has to be 3 of these. How many Y's?
4.
That means there has to be 4 of these. Holy rollers. Alright, now we're going to simplify. Okay? It's not that bad though, guys. This is it. So much easier, right, than doing it the long way. Believe me. Okay? So, then I have x to the 4th plus, what is negative? Plus a negative is a minus, right?
Negative.
Okay, and then 3 times 4?
This is so
X cubed y. Okay? But what is 3 squared? Negative 3 squared.
9.
9. Positive, right? So this is going to stay positive. And 9 times 6? Is this right? 54? All right.
Maybe.
Let's see. Fingerman. You ever see Fingerman? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 54. Yeah, right. What? Fingerman. Alright. So, okay, 54. And then what's negative? Oh, wait. 3 negatives make a negative, right? So a negative and a positive is a negative, right? And then what's 3 cubed? 3 times 3 times 3. 27. Right? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay? And then 27 times 4. Well, 4 times 2 is 8, right? So that's 80 plus 4 times 7 is 28. So 80 plus 28. 108. Okay? Now we have the x, y cubed. Okay? And then if there's 4 negatives, that would be a positive, right? So anytime it's raised to the even, a negative becomes positive. Anytime it's raised to an odd, negative becomes negative. Does that make sense? Okay? So then, what's 4 threes though? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, think about it. 3 squared is 9. 3 squared is 9. And 9 times 9 is? Very good. 81. You guys are on it. Okay. It's like not first period. Come on now. All right. And that's it. That is
Very nice.
your answer. Pretty intense, yeah?
Yeah.
You guys can do it. I wouldn't be showing it to you if I didn't think you could do it. I'm going to pause it. Now I'm going to show